Hey you guys, what is up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. That is the baby Bowtie channel, and I'm back with another video for you guys. So today I'll be teaching you guys how to make a DIY clear slime, which is super simple to make and requires just two materials to make. So with all that being said, let's just get on with the video. But before we do, please make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon to be notified every time I post a video, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. I told that already. And comment down below, have you ever tried making clear slime? If you did, how did it turn out to be? I would love to know. And with all that said, let's just get on with the video. So step 1 is to use a wet wipe or a tissue paper and clean all the materials that you will be using. That mainly includes your mixing stencil and your bowl, so that this like if there is any dirt or any remains from a previous slime that you made, it will not affect our clear slime, otherwise it will not be clear. So once you have done that, I would prefer using a wet wipe, but a tissue works well too. So for this you'll need a mixing bowl, a mixing stencil, which both have been cleaned with a tissue paper, some activator, and this has to be clear activator, so you cannot use baking soda activator, you guys. I'm using borax activator, that is half a teaspoon of borax to 1 cup of warm water, and you need some clear glue. So I have some clear glue here. It's called Modern Adhefix. So it's a synthetic gum, and you're going to squirt all that out into your bottle. Hopefully you guys can see the slime, the glue I mean. So yep, I'm going to add only that much, and let's just get started. So you have to do nothing but just activate it with the... Okay, my activator is not coming out. Now disclaimer, clear slime can take some time to activate, so it's okay if it's not activating quick, because it will not. So here it's starting to thicken up. Just adding more activator, and yes, as you guys can see right now, that there are some air bubbles in it, so you guys can see that. So that those air bubbles will be there, you guys. Just it will not affect your slime. It will be cloudy for the moment you make it, but you have to let it clear up for like a few days. So yeah, if it's not very cloudy, then just a few hours would be enough. So off camera, mine doesn't look all that cloudy, but on camera it does. Honestly speaking, I don't know why, but it does. So you want to activate your slime, and I'll be right back. So here is the slime, you guys. Yes, it is a bit cloudy, and like I'm going to overactivate this, so that like when I let it sit by a windowsill to clear, it'll also get a little sticky. I mean, it'll get like melt a bit. So here is some ASMR. It is cloudy, you guys, and it will be cloudy. So here it goes. Please do not mind me poking on my hand. I crunched it right now and it's stuck to my hand now, so I am trying my best to get it off. So that's what I said, I'm going to overactivate it. So that's it. You guys, that's how you make clear slime. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and are able to get a clear slime, because this glue is very much available everywhere, you guys. So just ask clear glue and they'll be pretty confused, but if you say Modern Adhefix and synthetic gum, they'll definitely get it. So yeah, till my next video. Bye guys.